I'm a member of CCR,
Mhm.
so I get all the notices of everything that's coming up,
Sure.
and I inevitably will have Truck Legal 1 and 2, in March,
Yeah.
because you teach it for us,
Right.
and then we have it in October. But that as soon as we have it, someone calls me and says, Truck
I
Legal.
I need that legal update because I have to renew my license. I know.
And I said, and I always send them the link to the CCR. I'm like, are you a member of CCR? I didn't even think of all the way through that and realize that they don't charge for the required CE classes. So I
No.
wrote that down too. That's another little golden nugget for you guys, because your title companies, as much as we want you to come to our classes, we have to charge for them.
Oh, sure.
So I mean, it's nothing. It's $5 an hour, but it's still,
Well, and
you
if you're
know,
not a member of CCAR, you're going to pay for it at your local board, or you're
true.
going to pay for it from another real estate provider like the CE Shop or Champions, or, wherever you take your education, you're going to pay for it. You have to have the class or you can't renew your license.